The Oase line of fountain pumps are synchronous magnetic drive pumps that offer high efficiency and low power consumption in a small form factor. The 90, 150, 320, and 525 are ideal for small garden, wall, and tabletop fountains, with maximum head capacities from 2.3 to 8.6 feet of head. The box is labeled on all sides in 3 languages. Inside you'll find the manual and warranty, along with the pump and adapters that accommodate Oase kink-free tubing. In addition to a stable suction cup-equipped base, built-in adjustable flow control, these pumps also feature the signature Oase grounding plate to conduct stray electricity safely to ground. Electric consumption ranges from only 4 watts for the 90 to 42 watts for the 525, keeping operating costs to a minimum. Oase fountain pumps are precision-built, carry a 3-year warranty, and can be rebuilt with replaceable components to ensure a long service life. For added visual interest, the 2 largest pumps, the 320 and 525, can be accessorized with the Oase 4-pattern nozzle set. And that's everything you ever wanted to know about Oase fountain pumps, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like, follow, and share us on social media. Check out our website and YouTube channel for videos and more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.